You can access your profile from any page on the platform by clicking on the username in the top right-hand corner, which you can also use to log out. From here, you can change your name, email, username, and password, and you can select the preferred language of the platform. You can also connect your social media accounts to the platform, which you'll be able to use to log in. Then on this side, you can select how you want to receive notifications from the platform and select your preset colors, which makes it quicker and easier when making your clips. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out the rest of our videos.